ASUS TUF Gaming F15 Gaming Laptop, 15.6-inch 144Hz FHD display, Intel Core i5-11400H processor, GeForce RTX 2050, 8GB DDR4 RAM, 512GB PCIe SSD Gen 3, Wi-Fi 6, Windows 11, FX506HF ES51, Graphite Black. Brand ASUS. Style, Core i5 RTX 2050. Model name, FX506HF ES51. Screen size, 15.6 inches. Color, Graphite Black. Hard disk size, 512GB SSD. CPU model, Core i5. RAM memory installed size, 8GB. Operating system, Windows 11 Home. Special feature, backlit keyboard. Graphics card description, dedicated. Hardware platform, PC. Item weight, 7.75 pounds. Product dimensions, 14.13 x 0.9 by 10.08 inches. Processor brand, Intel. Number of processors, 6. Processor, 4.5 GHz Core _i5. Computer memory type, DDR4 SDRAM. Flash memory size, 512GB. Hard drive interface, PCIe X8. Optical drive type, no drive. Voltage 20 volts, DC. Batteries, 1 lithium ion battery is required. Included. Screen resolution, 1920 x 1080 pixels. Memory speed 3200 MHz. Graphics coprocessor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050. Graphics card RAM size 4GB. Wireless type, Bluetooth, 802.11 AX. Number of USB 3.0 ports, 3. ASUS TUF Gaming F15, staying power. Take on any challenge, always ready for action. The TUF Gaming F15 excels at gaming, streaming, and everything in between. Harness serious power for demanding tasks with an 11th Gen Intel Core TM CPU. Gameplay graphics are smooth with the GeForce RTX TM GPU, which reliably delivers high frame rates for many modern games. A superfast NVMe PCIe SSD speeds up load times, while an open SSD slot makes adding terabytes more space for all your games easy. Self-cleaning fans, anti-dust tunnels catch incoming dust and dirt particles and channel them back out of the chassis. 83-blade LCP fans, carefully shaped intake shrouds use curved edges and raised guides to help the fans draw in more air. Multiple heat pipes, efficient heat redistribution enables faster dissipation, minimizing thermal throttling. Blow away the competition, game at pro speed with a fast IPS level panel. With adaptive sync, the display's refresh rate synchronizes with the GPU's frame rate to reduce lag, minimize stuttering, and eliminate visual tearing for ultra-smooth and immersive gameplay. Ultra-fast Thunderbolt TM4 lets you connect conveniently on the fly, like powerful external GPUs or monitors that level up your multitasking power. Play 4K Ultra HD movies, videos, and games on big-screen TVs with HDMI 2.0b. Military-grade toughness. In order to earn the TUF gaming name, these laptops must successfully survive a rigorous battery of MIL, STD, 810H tests. Test devices are exposed to drops, vibration, humidity, and extreme temperatures to ensure reliability. Crystal clear audio. 2 speakers with 4 cutouts are loud and powerful, enabling deeper audio immersion, while virtual 7.1 channel surround sound enhances spatial awareness in-game to help you get the drop on enemies. What's in the box? FX506HF ES51, power cord and adapter, user manual. FX506HF ES51. Supercharged RTX graphics. Gameplay graphics are silky smooth with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 4GB GDDR6 at 70W with dynamic boost. Ready for anything. Use your gaming laptop to stream and multitask with ease thanks to an Intel Core i5-11400H with 12M cache, up to 4.5 GHz, 6 cores, and 8 GB of blisteringly fast 3200 MHz DDR4 RAM on Windows 11. Swift visuals. Stay one step ahead of the competition thanks to its 144Hz 15.6-inch Full HD, 1920 by 1080, IPS-type display. Ample storage for all your games. Store all your game library, and load them fast on your 512GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD to take advantage of the full RTX gaming experience. Military-grade toughness. Durable MIL, STD, 810H military standard lives in the TUF line as the devices are tested against drops, vibration, humidity, and extreme temperatures to ensure reliability. Connect to everything. RJ45 LAN port, 3x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, 1x USB Type C with Thunderbolt 4 and DisplayPort support.